microcontrollers. They are classified based on the memory, based on the architecture, based on the bit configuration, based on the instruction sets, etc. When we talk about the microcontrollers which are based on the instruction set, based on the bit, there are three types. One is the 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller, and 32-bit microcontroller. When we talk about the 8-bit microcontroller, which is used to execute arithmetic and logic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. And particularly, these microcontrollers will deal with the data which is in the form of 8 bits. Simply to say, 8-bit microcontrollers are the microcontrollers which deal with the data which is in the form of 8 bits. For example, 8031 and 8051 are come under this types of this category. Now when we come into the 16-bit microcontrollers, these 16-bit microcontrollers are used to perform arithmetic and logical operations where high accuracy and performance are required, particularly where the high accuracy and where the high performance are required. In that requirements, we supposed to go for the 16-bit microcontrollers. This microcontroller deals with the 16-bit data, addition of larger value, 16-bit larger value, or less than that also we can use the 16-bit microcontrollers. Now when we coming to this 32-bit microcontrollers, particularly these 32-bit microcontrollers are used in the places where automatically controlled applications, where particularly controlled automatic operations are to be done in that particular appliances. These 32-bit microcontrollers are used wherever we want to use microcontroller in complex operations, where the automatic operations are require that place we use this 32-bit microcontrollers. In these places, 8-bit and 16-bit microcontrollers will not perform higher performance. It won't give higher performance and accuracy, and they could not be much effective in comparison with the 32-bit microcontrollers. So this is about the classification of microcontrollers based on the bit configuration. Now when we talk about the classification of microcontroller based on the memory, so we having two types of memories. One is the external memory, another one is the internal memory. External memory, another one is the embedded memory. Now this type, when we talk about the external memory, this type of microcontroller is designed in such a way that they do not have a program memory on the chip. They do not have a program memory on the chip. For the microcontrollers, there will be a chip on which all the devices like input output ports, memory, CPU, serial communication ports, timers, counters, they are all embedded on a particular same chip. But in case of external memory microcontroller, they are designed in such a way that they do not have the program memory on the chip. They do not have the program memory on the chip. For example, we can give an Intel 8031 microcontroller will come under this category. This is about the external memory microcontrollers. Now when we coming to this embedded memory microcontrollers, this type of microcontrollers is designed in such a way that microcontrollers has all the program memory, data memories, counters, timers, input output ports, all are embedded on a simple chip, on a same chip. Example, 8051 is an embedded type of microcontroller. So this is the classification of microcontroller which is based on memory. Now when we coming to the classification of microcontrollers based on the instruction set, here we can having a two categories in this case. One is the CISC and another one is the RISC. CISC is a complex instruction set microcomputer. It allows the programmer to use one instruction in place of many simpler instructions. RISC stands for reduced instruction set computer. This type of instruction set